Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, thinking about Valentine's and the quickest, easiest way to make a simple bud vase. First, when you fill it with water, don't put it to the very tip top. Drop it a little bit. Then, second, add everything into your fingers. Just line it up. Got one piece of Israeli ruscus, one piece of leather fern, a little tiny bit of genista, and a single rose. So 2 different types of foliage and one more, because you know Leanne's rule. You got to have 3, so a single Gaelic leaf at the bottom. Then give it a cut, get everything ready, and last, to make sure it doesn't shift, a tiny bit of sphagnum moss rolled right around the tip. Then slide it into the vessel, making sure that the moss locks it in place and it's ready for delivery.